Hey guys, welcome to Mo Crypto, bringing you another cryptocurrency video. This one's going to be on getting your ERC20 tokens from an exchange and storing them on the Chrome extension called MetaMask. Say you're on Binance and you purchase a whole bunch of some obscure ERC20 token, which rides on the Ethereum blockchain, but you can't find a wallet for it anywhere on the internet, and you're having a hard time figuring out how to actually get those coins off the exchange to where they're in a more secure area. In which case, the most secure would be a hardware wallet. But in between that, for ease of use, I would recommend my Ether wallet. My Ether wallet actually integrates very well with hardware wallets as well, like Ledger, Trezor, anything like that. Basically, what you're going to want to do is come to this page, www.myetherwallet.com. Make sure the spelling of the URL is correct. A lot of phishing scam sites tend to transfer like one letter or misspell wallet or something like that. And the web page you end up going to looks exactly the same, but it gives them the ability to harvest your credentials or even access your coins. So make sure the spelling is correct, and then you're going to want to bookmark the site first thing. Once you've bookmarked it, then you're going to want to install the Chrome extension called MetaMask. When you click on the link here, you're going to see the benefits of using it, the different sites that it's squashed, the phishing sites, and then it's going to get into step by step how to install it. I'm going to go ahead and show you here. You click on the first link and it's going to go to the Chrome web store, and you're going to add the extension. I've already got it added here, but you're going to click this green button. Another extension I would highly recommend is Cryptonite. If you come back to my Ether wallet, it's the next link right here, and you're going to add this extension as well. When you click that green button, it's going to install it. Now, when you have both MetaMask and Cryptonite installed, up here in the upper right of your browser, you'll see a little fox, that's for MetaMask, and a green shield, and that's for Cryptonite. Now, Cryptonite is nice because it verifies the metacert of that domain. So if you're a phishing site or a scammer in some way, you won't have that cert. In Cryptonite, when you have a green shield, it lets you know that you're on a safe site, and then you can go ahead and proceed with your transactions. Also, when you drop down the menu from the shield, it's got links to some of the major exchanges, and if you click the link from here, you can rest assured that it's a legit link and it's not a couple letters transposed to take you to a phishing site. So once you have those two extensions installed, you're going to open the MetaMask Fox link here. You're going to accept their user agreement. If you scroll this down, hit accept. I recommend reading it. But here you're going to create a password and confirm it. I'm just going to go ahead and throw one in here. And now it's going to give you a 12-word seed. This is very important. I would highly recommend writing this down somewhere where you won't lose it or forget it. This combination of words is going to be critical should anything happen to your browser, your computer, your laptop, whatever. If something happens to the hard drive, becomes corrupted, or if for some reason you can't access MetaMask, this will enable you to reinstall it somewhere else. As long as you have this 12-word seed, you can open up your wallet again and have access to your funds. So you're going to want to know that you copied it somewhere, that you've written it down. I highly recommend writing it down somewhere and keeping that somewhere safe. But once you've set up MetaMask, this is what it's going to look like. You have your account up here. You can edit it to call it whatever you want. And right underneath it is actually your address. You only see the first part of it, but if you click on these three dots right here, you can copy the entire address to the clipboard. You can export your private key. You can view your whole account on the Etherscan.io. But this is basically what I wanted to show you. If you click on the Tokens tab, you can add tokens. Now this is where you're going to set up your wallet to be able to withdraw your ERC20 tokens. If you click on Add Token, it's going to ask you for the token contact address. If you click on that, it's going to explain exactly what that is. But basically, if you come to etherscan.io, this is the blockchain explorer for Ethereum. There's a link up here that says token. If you click on View Tokens, this is where all the ERC20 tokens, all their information on the Ethereum blockchain resides. Let's say we were going to be withdrawing Tron, TRX, from Binance. That's what we're going to do here. You're going to click on Tron, and it's going to give you the contract address, which is right here. So you're going to highlight this and copy it. Then you're going to go back over to My Ether wallet, or anywhere that you have your token, your MetaMask wallet set up. When you go back to Add Tokens, this is where you're going to paste your contract address. Paste that there. It automatically knows it's for the Tron coin. You can set your decimal precision, like how many decimal places you want to go, and you hit Add. And there you go. You have your Tron coin set up to be able to withdraw into this wallet. Now, let's say you wanted to add another one. Let's see. Let's add Binance coin. I know they're the ERC20 coin. So here's Binance. Click on that. Copy the contract address. And go back into the little fox. Add tokens. Paste in your Binance coin contract address. It knows the symbol's BNB. Hit Add. Now I can withdraw Binance coins here. So, say we want to withdraw those coins now. You come in here and you're going to use your Ethereum address up here. You're going to click the three little dots, copy this address to my clipboard. Now I'm going to go back to Binance and I want to withdraw those coins. So you click on Account, and this is assumed you're logged into Binance. You go to your funds and balances. It's going to show you all the coins you have. We have Tron here up at the top, and you click on Withdrawal. Now I'm not actually going to withdraw the coins in this video because I plan on trading them very shortly, but these are all the steps that you're going to go through to be able to withdraw them to your MetaMask. You paste your MetaMask or your Ethereum address, MetaMask address right in here. Now again, this is where you got it from, just to show you. You click on these three little dots, copy this to your clipboard, come back over to Binance, and this is where you're going to paste it. And then this is where you say the amount that you want to withdraw, and then you hit Submit. Once this goes through, it doesn't take very long. You can come back over here and you'll see that those Tron coins will be populated right down here in your token wallet. The same thing goes for Binance, any of the other ones. But that's pretty much it. That's how you're going to withdraw tokens from an exchange and hold them on your MetaMask wallet. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below. Go ahead and like the video if you felt this was helpful in any way. And I'd love it if you would subscribe. And I'll see you guys again next time.